Sometimes I wonder what made them build castles. Did they really have dragons and unicorns? Treasures? I've heard stories of wizards with wisdom and power to conjure up all kinds of things. What they see lives in the imagination. Places they've never visited, things their eyes have never touched. In stories, only wizards and children can see what lives in those places. They say we are the caretaker of dreams. When I'm far away from everything, my imagination touches all ends of the sky. While some squint to see reality, the seemingly impossible appears as real as my own footprints. My dreams are a map to my destiny. If I could, I'd show you the pictures in my mind. The places I go and the things that I see. Bridges, waterfalls, castles. We would overlook entire kingdoms. If I could draw, I would make you see what's in my mind. The colour of my dreams. And in them I can build my own castles.